wreak havoc. Whoa!
Again, to evacuate with this kind of storm surge.
Let's take this car and bring it out into reality, or augmented reality, and talk about how the weather plays a role in your driving.
So let's lift the base of this and talk a little bit about tornado genesis.
This is the Unreal Engine AR, a real-time 3D animation tool that is used by the Weather Channel and provided by the Future Group. This fascinating integrated technology creates augmented reality and mixed reality forecasts, where an on-camera meteorologist is immersed in an extreme weather situation in which he or she is explaining. The Unreal Engine AR merges live footage with hyper-realistic computer-generated objects, such as falling down power lines and trees, rising floods, damaged cars or homes. It also recreates towns and local street corners in astonishing detail. This immersive three-dimensional experience also brings viewers into the ferociousness of hurricanes, the intensity of tornadoes, and the blazing hot infernos of wildfires, with fleeing animals while explaining atmospheric sciences. Unreal Engine AR also allows the meteorologist to dodge fierce floodwaters, dangerous lightning, and deadly flying objects. Other effective visuals can also be incorporated, such as pop-up safety tips about the hazards, as well as signs, arrows, and text. The goal of this attention-grabbing storytelling and technology is to convey the seriousness of the risks and consequences of these life-threatening events, and hopefully keeping people safe. So how does it work? Segments are recorded live to tape a couple of hours before airtime. Meanwhile, the meteorologist is in a large green screen room, and the physical camera's position and rotation are synchronized with the viewing angle of the CG background and the pop-up textual elements in Unreal Engine. With this workflow, each take is a finished segment with no post-production required. When the team at the Weather Channel highlighted the effects of storm surge, the flooding that results from storms, it reportedly utilized actual data on the behavior of water and wind during this occurrence. Additionally, it incorporated physics calculations to animate water, trees, and other objects in the scene. Actual mathematical formulas were taken to form a graphic. Unreal Engine AR offers a wide-ranging suite of creation tools designed to meet impressive artistic concepts. This has been said to be especially evident in the video game industry, with games like Fortnite and hyper-realistic experiences like the Star Wars Secret of the Empire using the platform. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.